Hey, this bitch kind of heat.
Today's video, we're gonna, I don't know why we keep doing this. We keep buying the wrong parts. Just estamos pendejos. But today we're gonna be making the wrong parts for the Rsx fit.
I bought this lip on eBay the other day, and I got confused. I don't know, but it fits the, if I'm not wrong, the A-spec lip. I'm not sure, or the stock lip. But I already have a Mugen lip on, which looks kind of the same. So it doesn't fit. Pretty much, it's too long, or I don't know. But it's kind of like, it sticks out a little bit more. So I tried to return it, but they never got back to me. I tried to sell it, no one wanted it. So I was like, let me just try one more time, and I did. And my brother came to the conclusion that I could just cut it, but then I'm like, I don't want to cut it because it's open, like it's exposed, so it's gonna look ugly. So what he ended up saying is to cut this part off, cut it, and put this piece back where I cut it. And I was like, oh, that's pretty smart. And since I tried to return it, I tried to sell it, no one wanted it, so I'm like, what am I gonna do with it? Might as well just fuck around and make something out of it. Oh, jeez. Which we already know. I was fixing, breaking, trying to cheap out on shit. And right now I was like, I already took everything off, the clips, the zip ties, and I'm like, bro, I could just take off the actual lip. Well, I don't know if it has 3M tape on it or, so I'm like, I don't know, I'm just gonna take the whole thing off, and we'll be right there.
Said since it's not didn't fit, no one wanted to buy it, I couldn't return it. I could have given it away, but no. Like, if this works, someone else could do it. You know, like gotta try new shit. And oh shit, that was easy.
Oh, it does just come up like that, look.
Shout out to the guys whoever did this. They got down because they actually painted this as a separate piece. And,
Okay, so how is this helpful? How is this helpful? Taking it out like this?
Huh?
What are we gonna do now?
Okay, so it's actually easier because it's gonna bolt onto this thing, not the actual one. So we're just gonna mock it up right here, get it as close to this because this is the one that matters pretty much. Look at my bumper. Look, I think it fits under that one. Like just stop.
It should, cause that one's like kind of the same as this one.
Yeah. You know what? Yeah.
Bro, this camera is crazy, bro. What? Look at that.
Something like that.
But we're not trying to do that
For that one, yeah.
because
It's on the cleaner.
Low
It makes
life.
the car lower.
low life punch out.
So we're gonna put that one on that one and cut it. We'll show you guys.
Crazy. Are you guys into bikes? Cause next build for the channel.
We actually don't have nowhere to work, so we're gonna use my mom's table.
WWE table.
Did everyone has to.
Jeez, look at these beauty. She's been out of the channel for a bit because yesterday we were trying to install a diffuser for my thing. Gonna throw some clips right here so you guys can see what happened with that. That's what we're talking about.
That's why we were saying that we keep buying the wrong part.
Yes, sir. So we're just gonna put some clips right now so you guys can see what happened. But back to Omar's video. Some Rsx love. You already know. Where does Omar like Luke? These are his chanclas. Those are mine. You already know. Black and red. Black and red. Blue. 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 I don't know why he likes my chanclas though.
So for this one, what you want to get is the filament on the front. Don't worry about the sides, because if you try to line it up, this is why it's for the A-spec or the stock one. Because when you line it up to this one, it leaves a gap over here.
Which maybe look.
So what we're gonna do is fix this one and the like that. And this is all the space you have left, so you have to cut it pretty much a bunch. And I don't mind this. I just like this. I just like this.
Like
This is what I like.
look. It's gonna make it look even more like like deep and low. And that's how we like it, huh, Chapo?
We're actually gonna turn the camera off, try to set this, and I didn't really help. You need 2-3 people actually.
We'll be right back.
We're gonna use this shit because we don't have seat clamps, just to kind of get it.
Yes, sir. Alright, guys. So look at our little setup right here.
Pero sí, uno aquí.
Right now we're just building it with some. ¿Cómo se llama estos en inglés? Some Ericas. Look at it, estoy diciendo Omar's tripping because look, he's saying that the gap won't close like fully.
If we screw it?
If we screw it in, it's gonna stay like that, like at least like that. What I'm telling him is that who's the fuck is gonna be like, oh look at this was gap right here.
I am.
Well, it is because you know. But I'm pretty sure that like with some little screws, even if you put like 3 right here, at least 3 little ones, it'll hold it and then like it will make it close.
Oh,
That's
guys,
good.
I don't know what happened here.
Please excuse this.
I wanna blame my dad, but that shit chipped.
That shit was so mine. But look, this is what we were talking about. This side is good. That's what I was telling him. Look.
Oh shit.
That's what I was telling you. Like line up this one and just cut the one over here. Cause this one's the one that sticks out hella. Look. We could just cut this right here and then cut all this right here and just stick this little part right here.
Fuck it, I'm gonna send it. I'm just gonna screw this shit in.
Send it. Full sense right here. No half sense, no anything. Get it, my boy.
Fuck it. So Murijo has this thing that he's able to convince you to do stupid shit. Like, I don't know if the last clip he said, oh, just lift that one and cut that one.
I was like, bro, that shit wasn't needed because it was hard. Like, it wouldn't like move. So I was like, it's fine. It doesn't need it.
But then I have another brother that is smarter than me, but I'm smarter than Murijo, makes sense. So what we did is we lined them up both sides so we could get the middle. And since it's plastic, we're gonna bend it, kind of like twist it. So we're gonna get the middle first and work our way out so they both stick out the same way. What the fuck? So I'm just gonna use the screws that it came with. Agárrasela, güey.
I think you should flip it.
Oh my god.
Déjame traer una.
Everybody's saying like flip your shit, but man, it's already fucked up. I don't want to expect no more. You guys the same or? If you guys have this paint, you know, I'm like, hey, you seen that color in the $100 bills, the little blue strip? Say less, bro. First one, and we're just gonna put like 20 of them. So once we get the first one, we're gonna unclip this so it could kind of fold to the back, and we could have him like cut the excessive. Yep. Just look at this shit, guys. We're not even done. So first do the middle, then work your way like even, you know, so it closes. Look at that. No wow, this looks clean. So yeah, pretty much you're just gonna keep working out and you're gonna end up with this.
Work out?
Like
Okay, people working out, Chapo?
work it out, bitch.
Some pull-ups.
So you're gonna end up with something like this on both sides. And this is what we're cutting. Fuck, but this look, just look at this. I think this is the thumbnail. Quítate la verga.
This is the thumbnail? Dicen que estoy loco. Y no,
Fucking
no,
dirty,
no,
like-
no. Diles, dile
Oh,
que mira,
but yeah, guys, look, this is what I fucking like about it. This part, I'm fucking super stoked on this shit. God damn. All right, so to make your job easier, make sure you pre-drill the holes. Look at my hands, they're all dirty. Damn, I'm black. pre-drill and just use the screws that come with it.
Elevation dancing. God damn, I'm super stoked. Think they're ready for it? Look at this. What the? This looks crazy, bro. Like with the camera too. God damn. Like this is what I'm talking about. But what do you guys think? Is it too much? Cut it, make it even, flush it. This is why I bought this. Just this front part. God damn. Super stoked. So I'm glad this turned out good. So
Hey, who looks better with the hat, me or Omar?
my R6 guys could do this shit. This for y'all. Something new. I looked it up on YouTube. I YouTube it. No one. People run this, but there's no video of it. So this is a type STI splitter on top of the Mugen lip. Something like that. I'm not too sure, but this looks good.
Alright, so now that we have everything mounted on the lips, time to turn this into one single piece. So we're gonna try to see, because as he mentioned, like, we have those screws right there. I don't know about this ones, but we're gonna try it. So you guys in a bit if it fits. If it's not, I'm gonna make it work, because this is what it's all
I
about.
always do.
Yes, senor.
Except for when he goes, this kind.
This baby girl.
So there you have it. So you do have to take off the ones on the side and go through from the lip to the, from the splitter to the lip to the actual bumper. And I got like thousands of screws now. Same on the other side. And this is how it looks. What do you guys think? Let me know, is this too bright? Is this clean? Is thumbs up, thumbs down? Fuck. Watch me. Comment how long is this shit's gonna last.
Right there, we're gonna go to his fit in. I'm just gonna leave it right there.
Damn. I like this new camera. What do you think?
Thank you. It's just me, fool. I'm just breathe. Sing work makes the drink work. Right, Chapo? Yeah. Jeez. Rayador.
Connect my working fog lamps. If you guys want to see how I plug my fog lamp, there's a video for that.
What? ¿Por qué no entrance?
Hey guys, before we continue, make sure to follow the Instagram if you guys have any questions or want to know anything about the cars. Make sure to follow us, that gang, AA, and look at the car.
Jesus, what was that? Oh, that was my phone, and I'm recording with my phone. What is this?
I gotta leave early. Fuck, bro.
Sitting pretty low. That's what. Should we do some cinematic, Chapo? Yeah, kill the cinematics.
sit tight. And I'm gonna go buy some clips for the ones right here. Because this shit's pretty heavy, so can't risk it. So that's gonna be it. Follow us for more shit like this. We're always doing this. Everything on the videos we do ourselves. Everything on our cars done, not the painting and shit, but we like to experiment. We're gonna get the homies to fucking mod their cars too, and we're gonna help them, of course. We got a Q50, we got an F54, and my homies Honda Accord, and my homie Corn, and everyone. This is why it's called the gang. We're gonna get all the homies, record all this shit. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, share with the homies.